This is how you do a cascade. Yeah, I should not be singing. Whatever. So this real quick video, how to do a cascade poem. Um, you can tell that it's 15 lines, no more than 15 lines. So you got more than 15 lines, you're doing something wrong. Okay. And it's pretty easy. You'll notice that visually it cascades down. Okay. And all I gotta do is I put one word in the first line, two words in the second line, three words in the third line, four in the fourth, five in the fifth, six in the sixth, and so on and so on. So your poem cascades down, okay? And if you look at my poem, it makes no sense. I got talking about Chase dropping 20 points in the game, Ella's gone to jail, Josh cut his hair, Ava joined a motorcycle gang, got a face tattoo too. Ooh. Haley and Haley not being related, Wesley being named after the West and Lee, Tudor wearing flip flops. I don't know. It's a weird poem. It doesn't have to make sense. It doesn't have to rhyme. You just gotta make sure it cascades down, and you do that, like I said, by following these rules: one word in the first line, two in the second, three in the third, four in the fourth, five in the fifth, and so forth. So when you get down to the 15th line, you got 15 words in the line. Now, for your rough draft, if you can't all fit in one line, that's fine because it's a rough draft. But when you do your final draft in your poetry booklet, it'll look just like this, okay? Got any questions about that, send me an email.